Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Virgo H sign for the month of October. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Virgo, your first card for the reading. Wow, Ace of Wands. Death. Transformation. Hanged Man. Yeah, someone in this connection undergoes spiritual awakening. They are undergoing some transformation. Something new will start in their life. Those who are undergoing some transformation in this connection, it could be you or your person. Definitely there are some new beginnings after the transformation in their life or in this connection. We will see. Let's pull some more. Every reading got this card. Almost. 7 of Swords. 3 of Swords. Oh my god. Wheel of Fortune. I think your person may be manipulative. Energy could be vice versa depending upon your situation. Right now I am doing for Virgo. Definitely your person may be sneaky, manipulative, cheated on you, lied to you. Definitely you are heartbroken, or they are heartbroken because you caught them definitely and you leave them. Then they will become like this without you, or you like this, you are very heartbroken for your person what they did to you, but things are turning in your favor. Virgo, definitely stand by your power. Definitely tables have turned in your favor. Let's see some more. 9 of Cups, the World, Chariot. I want pull some more cards, then I will get clarity. Let's see some more. The Strength, Queen of Wands, Seven of Wands. I think that some cycles are going to be end between both of you. The World card is here, and this could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different cities, different countries, different states, different whatever. There is some distance involved in this connection. Yeah, your person wishing for this connection and they want to take things to next level, but you are not going to accept. For some you will be, for some you are not going to, because you stand by your power, because your person is sneaky. If it is third party, you don't want to give another chance to your person because you stand by your power. Queen of Wands. Yeah, you are very defensive now. Virgo, you are very defensive. You are not going to allow your person. But your person undergoes some transformation. They are stuck right now. Your person could be Scorpio. But you stand by your power. So let's see your person current feelings. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. Your person current feelings towards you. Past lives, the Moon. You or your person could be Pisces. Letting go. Yeah, for some there is separation. Definitely you stand by your power. I think you walked away from your person, or your person maybe walked away from you. Energy could be vice versa. Morality, King of Swords. Yeah, they want to give clarity, some communication. They want communication. Past lives. Yeah, still they are thinking about some stuff which has happened in past. Past lives means the Moon. There are some illusions still going between both of you. Letting go. Yeah, your person want to let go what is happening between both of you in past, and they want to communicate. They are thinking they want to communicate you. For some, you walked away from your person due to what they did to you. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Virgo. Compromise. Six of Pentacles, receptivity, Queen of Cups, and flowering, Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, they have strong emotions for you and they want to compromise. Yeah, they want to compromise and they want to offer equal give and take. And in past there is no equal give and take, there is no balance between both of you. Now your person want to offer equal give and take. Because they have strong emotions for you. After you walked away, they realize you both, they have strong emotions for you. That's why they want to share everything with you. Queen of Pentacles means sharing, caring and giving. Definitely they want to give stability and everything to you this time. They want to let go of things which had happened between both of you and they want to compromise. Yeah, they will approach you, they will give clarity to you. They want reconciliation with you and they want second chance with you. Because this time they want to offer equal give and take. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, a lot of water energy, Aries, Leo, Sag, fire energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Cancer, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Earth energy. Because Six of Pentacles is here. So let's pull some cards from universe for the connection, where it is headed in the near future. Okay, first card, wow, Two of Cups. Definitely there will be reconciliation, most of you. King of Wands. Five of Wands. Seven of Pentacles. I think the one person who invested in this connection in past is you, Virgo. But now you stand by your power. Simply, yeah, you stand by your power. It's your person time to work on this relationship. Now your person fighting for your attention, fighting for your love. They know you love them. That's why they are fighting for your attention. They want your love. Definitely there is equal love between both of you. You also love your person, but you stand by your power because there is no equal give and take. There is no responsibility. There is no reason to continue. That's why you stand by your power. Now it's your person turn to work on this relationship. Definitely they are willing to work on this relationship if you allow. If it is not third party, for some definitely there is reconciliation. If it is third party, it's up to you. So let's see your overall energy, Virgo, for the week. Ten of Swords. Yeah, you are fed up with your person energy, whatever they are doing, definitely, and you want something new in your life. You want to rebirth in your life, definitely, because Ace of Swords. Definitely you are undergoing some situation that you want some new beginning in your life, in some area of your life, like finance, career, whatever. Page of Cups, Two of Wands. Yeah, you are thinking about your person a lot. Yeah, definitely an apology is coming in your way. Your person want to tell an apology and some messages are coming in your way because your person want to give clarity. King of Swords. For some, you also want rebirth in this connection. Ten of Swords means cycles ending. For some, you also want reconciliation. You also want rebirth in this connection. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Projection. Yeah, they are fantasizing about you a lot. For some your person maybe have options in past, that's why you cut them off. But now your person fantasizing about you a lot. Let's see. Yeah, adventure, Knight of Pentacles, courage. Yeah, they are gaining their strength to come towards you, to ask second chance, and they are fighting for your attention. Definitely they are fighting for your attention and they want to work on this relationship. And Page of Pentacles messages, and it is very slow moving energy also. Definitely they want to work on this relationship this time. They are fantasizing about you a lot because Two of Cups is here and Seven of Cups is here. For some, your person may be in some confusion. They have to make clear decision before to come towards you. I think they got that clarity. That's why receptivity and Six of compromise and flowering is here. Definitely this time your person want to work on this relationship seriously. For those who are not in third party situation, for those who are in third party situation, it up to you, because Seven of Swords is there. It is very sneaky energy. Before taking any decision, please think twice. So if you are not third party situation, definitely there will be a reconciliation. So this is the reading for you, Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon. You will get my all video notifications. Bye.